Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A little bit cold this morning. We're gonna show you guys how to remove and replace the radio unit on a Volkswagen Jetta 6th generation. That should cover, guys, the years from 2011 all the way until 2016. Stay with us and we're gonna show you how to do it now. Alright guys, we need to put the car in the gear shift all the way to the back so it's out of the way. And what we are going to do now, you need to get your fingers right here and carefully, not to break, you need to pull that trim out. Once you get it going, it's really convenient if you use a prying tool. That way you know you're not gonna do any damage to it. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, just like that. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get the shifter in park so we can get that annoying beep out of the way. And in order to remove that trim now, guys, we have a wire for the passenger airbag right here that we will need to disconnect. So this one could be a little bit tricky. Okay, once I remove it, I'll show you. Right here actually there is two little knobs. Okay, so if you spread those, okay, the ones right here, it's going to come off, so you can leave it there. Okay guys, and that's the trim piece right here if yours is damaged. Okay guys, next thing, a T20 screwdriver like that. You can see the star looking one. And in order to remove the radio now, we have these these screws that we need to remove. Okay, one is out. We have a few more. One on this side now. And it will be helpful if my camera man turns the light on so you can guys see better. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then we have two more on this side right here. So we need to remove those as well. Okay, almost there. And this one is giving us a little bit of hard time. And one more, that should be the last one. That's holding the radio there actually. Okay. And now guys, that's the radio coming out of here. And next guys, you need to pull it out all the way. The wiring is in the back. It's actually pretty simple to remove. I'm gonna show you now. You need to press right here down. Okay, once I remove it, I'm gonna show you better. And pull up. All the wires will come out. And the only thing left is the antenna wires. Okay, and we have the one right here which you push up like that. Okay, and you push in and you pull it out. That wire with the old wiring harness that I was talking about, that's the little thing you need to press down right here, and at the same time you need to twist this thing up like that, and the wires will come. And that's the radio, guys. If you need to replace it, that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. You can find them on eBay. Actually, we have a review about a radio like that sent from China, from Chinese vehicles, for a really affordable price that work amazing. We have it on our channel, check it out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.